Good morning and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you another Dollar Tree DIY for Valentine's Day. And we're going to be using some not so traditional items with some traditional items to make some decor. So today we're going to be using some of this shred. We're going to be using 2 of the little hearts from the little felt heart pieces at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using 2 of the green floral form and 1 of the white styrofoam. And then we're going to be using some of these cute little bags that came from the Dollar Tree. And these were some of those right there. I think I'm going to use, well, now I'm going to use the big heart. So I have these left to come up with something else to do with. And we're going to be using some of these flowers. Now, if you saw my 4th of July display, you might guess what I'm doing. But I'm going to make some flower arrangements in the little cute little paper bags for my counter in my home. Now, these bags, I could not find floral foam really large enough to fit in there the way I want it to, and be tall enough for it. So all I did was take 2 of these little ones here. They come 4 to a pack, and I used 2 in those, and then 2 right here. And all I'm going to do real quickly here to get started is to throw a little hot glue on the back of this and stick them together. Make sure they're even. It does bite into it a little bit, but it won't hurt. Okay. Ooh, that's hot. Then I'm going to open the bag up. And I'm going to glue this onto here. You can see that. I hope I'm in frame. So I'm just going to put a little glue on this one. And stick it to here. Okay. And then we're going to put that all the way down inside the bag. And they all fit in here. This fits nice and snug right here. And that's what I wanted to fit. I wanted the wider one so it would fill up more of the bag. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do this. So this has a little heart here. And I decided I wanted to put these little felt hearts on here. So I am just going to peel the little label off the bag and stick it on there. I'm just going to stick it in the middle of this heart. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Because it's going to be sitting in my bar, I really want it to look good on both sides. Me and these felt things are just like oil and vinegar. Okay. Just kind of eyeball that to be the middle. Alright, so then now I'm just going to arrange my flowers. I'm going to cut some of these off. I'm not going to probably use all the leaves because I want mostly red and pink. Oops. Okay, so I have all my flowers cut apart now. And I'm going to start finding some of the taller pieces. The ones that had the longer part of the stem on them. I really like these roses better than the other roses. But I went back to get more and I couldn't find them. So I'm just going to start sticking them in the tall places. And then I'm going to fill in with the, I hope you can see this. I'm going to fill in with the water roses. And what I'm doing with some of them is I'm going to let them peek out the handle like that. The only thing about this white styrofoam is it's a little bit harder to pierce down in there with it, but we can make it work. There we go, peeking out through the handle. And I'm going to place some white ones in intermittently between them. There we go. I like that better. Okay, so here is one of the hearts that came on the pick. So I'm just going to put that in a little bit taller with a little white baby's breath on it. I think that's cute. Put one on this end. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some like little baby's breath in there. Wasn't sure how much I was going to use, so I didn't cut it up yet. And I think it adds a little bit of elegance to the flowers. And I'm going to strip the leaf off. There we go. And I'm just going to add a little bit down here. All right. Yeah, I think that looks really pretty. That's what it looks like. And once I get my decor all done, I will show you guys my bar. 'Cause that's all. I think that's all I'm decorating. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the paper shred and just stuff it around the edges of it. If I can get any, whoops, if I can get any in there, because it's pretty full. But We're just going to stuff it around in there so it just kind of hangs out over the edge a little bit. And you saw how quick and simple this was. And then you can just keep playing with it and adjusting it the way you want it. Putting more filler in. Okay. I think that's all I'm going to do to that. I might pick up some of these whoops, scraps of paper here and put them in here on the side. Alright, so I'm going to call that done. Let me just raise this up a little bit so you can see. I just think that is really pretty. So I have this red one done. And I've already done the pink one. I use this bag. Both of these are from the Dollar Tree. So this project is 100% Dollar Tree. Everything from the Dollar Tree. So there's the red one. And there's the pink one. So guys, grab some bags and some flowers and make you some home decor. Easy peasy. Alright, thank you so much for joining. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the little avatar on the screen. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye.